Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to implement a snack bar. So a snack bar is something that's just triggered and it pops up from the bottom. You'll provide some information. So for example, if you delete something, it might pop up saying delete successful and it might provide you the option to undo it. Then it disappears. So it's just a bit of information that quickly pops on the screen and then it pops up. Okay, so to do it, pretty simple to be fair. First of all, I'm going to create a raised button, and the only reason I'm doing this is so I can use this to essentially trigger the snack bar once it's clicked, but you could trigger it however you want. So in here, I'm only going to do the on press. I'm not really going to style it or anything or do anything fancy like that. I'm going to add a child, and that's just going to be text. That's just going to say click me. And for the snack bar, all we have to do, well, first of all, we need to add the function, and we're just going to say final. We're going to say snk bar equals snack bar, and here we're going to say content, and for the content we're just going to put some text. We are going to say epic snack, or I'm going to say pizza time. This needs a semicolon. No, yeah, let's save this and see what we get. Okay, so we get this button. If I click it, nothing actually happens. Why? That's the mistake right there. I've made it, but I need to actually trigger it. To trigger it, you do snk bar dot of, providing the context, which is basically this right here, and made a mistake. It's what I'm doing. In here, you go to scaffold dot of, then providing the context dot show snack bar. Then you provide in the snack bar that you created. If you know you're going to be using this multiple times, you could essentially do this code and whatever we add afterwards, which we're going to add in a second, outside here, where you create variables. So you can use it multiple times instead of creating it again and again. Okay, so if we save that now, so we hot reload, if I click it, so it is saying something. Scaffold of code with a context that does not contain a scaffold. No, we've got a scaffold there. Let's have a look at what's happened here then. That is the usual way to trigger it. What we want to do is trigger it with this scaffold, not that. So let me try something. So let me try this. Actually, no. You know what I'm going to do? For the scaffold, damn, did not want to do that. We can add a key, and that basically allows us to, refer to it. So if I say underscore scaffold, why is that not working? So we've added a key, and the key should allow us to refer to it. And what's this saying? Undefined name underscore scaffold. We just created it there. So why does it not like that? Sorry. Now where my head is at, we got to create it up here first. We got to do final global key, and then we got to do the actual what we're doing. So it's a scaffold state. I'm going to say underscore scaffold equals new global key, and I'm going to say scaffold state now so that should solve that error. Here instead, we do underscore scaffold dot of. So why is that no longer? Oh, what am I doing? Code is different. Sorry about this. We should be current state dot show SnackBar, and it's SNK bar. Put a semicolon there, save it, and this will show the SnackBar now. If I click it, we show the SnackBar. Fantastic. So it disappears. As you can see, it disappears, and we can drag it off as well if we don't like it. But what I want to do is show you how to detect a click on it, and we can do that really simply. So put a comma here. A few different properties we can add. We can change the animation. Got separate videos covering animation. They can combine that with this and the duration. So that's how long it's going to stay on there. Once you do action, you do SnackBar action, and we'll sort all this out in a second. And in here, we need to put a label, and this is just going to say what it's going to do. I'm going to say order, so like I'm ordering the pizza, for example. And in here, I'm going to say arm pressed. So what code is this going to trigger when it's being pressed? I'm just going to do a print event just to keep it simple. I'm going to say pizza is on its way. If I save that now and I go there, I think see there's a button there, but nothing being printed out because we haven't clicked it yet. If I click it again and I click order, not only does it make it disappear, it triggers this piece of code right here. This could trigger another event. This could be more complex than this. It's totally up to you. So just make sure that you create a global key for the scaffold, and then you just assign it like so. And then that way you can do scaffold.currentState.show SnackBar. That's really it for the SnackBar. There's nothing more to it than that. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.